Hello friends, this is Sam again. Previously we treated variable separable ODEs. We've also treated exact and non-exact how to solve this kind of ODEs. Today we'll be treating how to solve linear ODE that are also non-homogeneous. If you have a linear that is homogeneous, you can use a variable separable. But once you have a non-homogeneous ODE, then it's not just easy for you to use it to use the very separately. So we'll be giving you the kind of equation you're supposed to use when you have a linear and a non-homogeneous ODE. So what do I mean by linear non-homogeneous ODE? The topic is, let's just call this linear and non-homogeneous ODE. So if you have an equation like y prime plus p xy equals rx, why is this kind of equation linear? Because when you have y, whenever you have y or differential of y, and it's not a form of, it's not in like order of two, for example, if you have y and y prime, this is not homogeneous, or if you have y prime squared, this is also not homogeneous. So whenever you have like y multiplying y, or differential of y multiplying y, or differential of y, any way you see y being repeated, then it's going to cause non-linear. And because we don't have that here, then which means this is a linear. And because this also we have just y again, not that you have y multiplied by, not that you have something like y squared. So it shows this is a linear equation. And to the right here, you have the function of x, which is ours. So, and why do we have this as a non-homogeneous ODE? Firstly, for you to have a homogeneous ODE, your right hand side equation um, has to be 0. Since you don't have this as 0, then this is non-homogeneous ODE. You can either have this as a constant or you have this as a function of x. Then you know this is a non-homogeneous ODE. How do you solve this kind of linear plus non-homogeneous ODE? There's a general formula that makes work easier for you, and that is y as a function of x equals exponential raised to power minus h, and e is integral e raised to power h r then dx plus c minus h, where your h equals your integral p x dx. For you to understand this better, let us quickly solve an equation. Let us quickly solve a question. And so let's go with this question 1. Dy dx plus y cos x equals sin x. From this upper equation here, you can name this. If you go back to this, so your Rx is by the right hand side, your Px is with y. So what's our Px here? No, this will be our Px, and this will be our R. Therefore, h equals integral cos x dx. If you check your integration table, you're going to get this as a sin x. At this point, you don't need to add plus constants. And also, I want you to know that h can also be written as, oh yeah, we can skip that for now. Let's go for the main equation. Let's write out the equation. Let's put it into the equation straight up. So you need to put in, so you need to put in this into the y equation, and that's going to give you y as a function of x e raised to power. Since minus h is going to be minus sin x, and also integral EH plus dot integral E, and H is what? Ln sin x dot R, or R is sin x dx plus C, then, then we have E raised by minus H, E raised by minus ln sin x. And so we can say yx equals what? This E raised by is more like saying E ln sin x logarithm, they are minus 1. This, you cancel this, right? And inverse of sin x will give you cosec x, which is from trigonometric function. You can get that from a trigonometric function table, and you have your integral E ln sin x, whereby this can cancel. So you have sin x multiplied by what? Sin x dx, then plus c, the same thing will happen the inverse of sin x, which is what? Cosec x. While the function of x equals what? Cosec x dot integral sin x times sin x, you have sin square x dx plus c. These can cancel this, then you have what? Cosec x. Y as a function of x equals cosec x dot integral of sin square x is going to be what? 1 minus. If you need to use trigonometric function here, you have cos 2x over 2 dx, then plus c cosec x. Y is a function of x equals what? Cosec x dot, can bring 1 over 2 forward and say this would be x minus 1 over 2 sin 2x. You try to integrate this, you get this, then plus c cosec x. Why is the function of x equals what? Cosec x multiplied by x over 2. So let's put this in brackets. So I'm using this to open brackets. Minus sin 2x over 4, then plus c cosec x. And y as a function of x equals what? X over 2 cosec x minus, you can say cosec x sin 2x over 4 plus c cosec x. Then by this part again equals x over 2 cosec x minus 1 over 4 minus cosec x sin 2x, then plus c cosec x. So that's, so that will be our value of yx. And yeah, I hope you like the solving. Thank you. Please subscribe. I like press the like button and please subscribe and share. Thank you very much. Bye.